Good morning. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be working in something that I talked to you in another video. How do a service on 300 Yamaha engine. How you drain the oil on the lower unit and how you drain the oil on the engine. It's a 300 Yamaha and a Wellcraft. It's a single engine, so I choose to do this video. Let's begin. And like I said on my other video, here we have the two. I'm sorry by the noise. Is a barn and a marina, and is four leaf and people all over work with it. So in the lower unit you have two plugs, one here and one here behind this screen. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove this screen here, and then I will show you guys where is the plug. On the port side of the engine, you have the head of the bolt that holds this screen here. It's a 532 Allen wrench. You just move it, take it apart. It's not hard. Problem is, I have to use my two hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down. I just move it a little bit so I don't mess the nut on the other side. But it's easy. Remember, it's plastic. Everything here is plastic, so don't do it hard. As you see, it's almost loose now. Let me do it with both hands and I show you. I remove my screen now. Sorry by the noise. I will try to eliminate that on the video. And I'm now gonna show you where is the other plug. It's on the other side. This is the drain plug, and this is the vent plug. The top one is the vent, the bottom one is the drain plug. So what I normally do is, let me show you. I got a set of screwdriver that I can hold with my wrenches on the back, and that's how I remove the plug. I use a clear bowl to check the oil, see if there's any metal on it. If you remove the bottom one alone, the oil don't come out. You have to open the top one to put the oil and to drain the lower unit. It's the only way because it's sealed inside. Because this oil is so bad, I decided to put a little bit of new oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of new oil here from the top to drain it on the bottom, and try to take as much bad oil as I can from the inside. Try to clean it a little bit. To remove the oil on the Yamaha 300 is behind this panel. On the port side is a plug here behind. You remove this. There Allen wrench. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Allen wrench, and here on the back is a plug that you can remove the oil. Because I have to do 3 or 4 volts, different things in a day, I'm gonna use an electric pump. But you don't have it, so you just use a regular bucket, remove the plug and drain it. One thing when you're draining the oil, I recommend always remove your stick and open the drain field that is on the top, is on the other side. Show you. Is on this side. Remove that plug so the air come out get in when you're removing the oil gonna be quicker that way. Right, this is your oil filter. It's simple. It's nothing out of the ordinary here. I have my pump connected. Everything is good. Let me see. It's sucking now. You can hear sucking the oil. Look how fast the oil is going up on the bucket. Not gonna suck everything in there. And it's quick, and I don't have to open the panel and nothing, but it's me because I'm working on this every day. But for you at your house, drink a beer, open this panel and remove the plug, and that's it. I'm gonna let it suck it really good. And now that is with no fluids on the lower unit and the oil of the engine, I will start putting new oil. The oil is done. We're gonna replace the oil filter. I use a wrench. I bought it in Amazon. This one doesn't have to be a freaking marine snap-on tool. Nah, I use this one from Amazon. I use it on my cars. I use it on my boat engines, and I love it. I really love it. So let's remove that filter and put a new one. With that tool, doesn't matter how hard it is. If you have a good grip in your hand, I have like 500 pounds on my hand. He come out or I destroy it, one or two. All right, so let's remove this one. Has like a little base there that pick up all the oil. So what I do is I get one of these towels, these absorbers, and I put it in there and pick up the rest of the oil and clean it really good. These don't pick up water, but oil, they are really, really, really good. And now the new filter. Okay. On my new filter, always, and it's something that I recommend to everybody, the new filters, always put on the gasket, put grease. I love this one. 24C is the perfect thing. Put it. It's your boat, so do it. So next time the filter ain't gonna be that hard like this one. Gonna be easier to remove. I put my grease on it and I come back and put it on my engine. So next time when I gonna replace this, if they send me again to this boat, I don't know, because they always send me to different boats, I do it. All the filters, the oil filters are hand tight. Don't use a freaking wrench on this, please. Don't do it. I pull the stick a little bit so he breathe, and now I'm gonna put the oil on the engine and the oil on the lower unit. The 300 use 2 gallons of oil. That's all that he used, and 1/4 of oil down there on the lower unit. I'm gonna do it. It's simple. You just remove the plug, the yellow plug that I show you, and put the oil. I don't gonna record that. I'm gonna record how you put it on the lower unit. Once I have my two plots with the new seals, the old ones are here, I got all my tools in place, I start filling it up. You will start here on the bottom, so the oil start going up and the air is coming to here. So this is the level, this is your level. When the oil come out of here, you just close the top one so the bottom don't lose any oil, and then put your plug on the bottom. Let's do it. But that's the way you have to do it. You put your pump here, start pumping, the oil gonna go up. When the oil come out here, just put the top plug first and then the bottom one. I can't record this because I have to use my two hands, but that's the way you do it. And I use a cheap pump, $12 pump. It's easy, anyone can do it. Just drink a beer and do it. Well, the last step on my service here is the fuel filter. It's very important to replace this every 100 hours. Filter come in a bag like this. Very important, get the little O-ring that is underneath this. I will show you. I will remove everything. I will show you how it looks like, that O-ring. Let me remove it and I'll show you. I forgot, underneath this filter is a sensor to sense the water inside the filter. So it's a blue plug, just disconnect it. You press here, this little tap, and this come out. You just disconnect it, and now you use a wrench that I bought in Amazon that is to remove these filters here without breaking. You can use a channel lock if you want, but it's better if you buy this. It's really cheap in Amazon. Filter is loose, let's remove it. Wait a second, let me take all the filter out and the gasket. Okay, so all right, look at the position of the filter. You have to put it in the same way. If you can do it like that, the engine don't gonna be able to suck the fuel, because he suck it through the center of the filter. So make sure that when you install the new filter and the new seal is in the same position. I put my new seal, my new filter, and what you see that I did here on the thread and on the seal, on the top seal, I put grease because this is plastic, and the plastic and the fuel dry the plastic, all the grease on the plastic, and this used to get really tight. So I put grease on it, I put my filter back, and everything is gonna work perfect the next time that I come and try to remove it. Now that my filter is on, the engine is complete the service. We have oil, we have oil filter, we have everything. The only thing that I'm missing is now the water separator, and something that I forgot, connect my water sensor. If I don't connect my water sensor, I don't have this, ain't gonna work. So wait a second, I'm sorry, it's connected now. That's it. Now the engine is done. Let's do the water separator and finish with this job. Like you see, I take my time, I don't rush it up, do it the best I can, and have fun. Always when I am on a boat doing job, every time I see something, I do a recommendation to the owner. Look at that pump, that's a saltwater pump. Look how bad it is. It's completely corroded. They changed already the fresh water, but the salt water is really bad. That pump gonna give up at any moment. So I do the recommendation to the owner to change it. It's a boat. It's a hole in the water to throw money. Now, how replace the water separator in your boat? Okay, tools that you need, just this. You buy it in Amazon, cheap. And your filter. In this case, it's a Yamaha, so we're gonna do a Yamaha. And I found my filter here in the middle of nowhere. This guy had to take care of his boat, clean the bilge. Look at that, how nasty it is. Look at that pump, how nasty it is. So please, guys, take care of your boat. This is an investment. Don't throw your money away. Right, so let me take a break so I can remove my filter. I remove the oil, the old filter, and I'm gonna put the new one. Oh, what do you see there? I always put grease on it. Please put grease on it. Don't do it without grease. So next time when you're gonna remove it, it's easier to remove. All right. One hand is a pain in the butt, but I do it. And always hand tie. Don't tie it with the freaking wrench. Do it with your hands. So next time, I need my two hands, I'm sorry. Only hand tie. So next time you can take it off easily and put grease on the seal. And now I just prime it. Perfect. So I fill it up completely. And the engine is ready to roll. That complete the service on this Watercraft 300. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna present some pictures so you can see how look a storage barn inside and how the equipment that they use here. So watch and learn. See you in the next one. In today's videos, all the tools that I use, they are bought in Amazon. Nothing expensive, nothing from a Snap on Truck or expensive retailer. Everything is bought in Amazon. And this is what you need to do the service.